Hi, my name is Julio Rivera. I'm an activist, journalist, adventurer, veteran, television presenter, and businessman. I've covered many of the major historical events going on around the world over the past several years, and after watching regime changes, conflict, and historic elections globally, I've come to the conclusion that the most underreported crisis in the world today can be defined in only one word: malware. That's why I've decided to dedicate my time to educating people everywhere and exposing the dangers that exist on the devices that we've become tethered to and depend on for so many reasons in our day-to-day life. Welcome to This Week in Malware. On This Week in Malware, we'll be covering Grand Explorer Adware modifies browser settings and displays unwanted ads. The Trojan Win32/Casdet RFN threat may lead to system security issues. And Microsoft Teams error caa70004 may signal network issues or a buildup of cache files. In the vast landscape of the digital realm, where information flows ceaselessly, Adware is an unwelcome guest. Adware, short for advertising supported software, is a type of software that infiltrates computers and mobile devices, modifying browser settings and bombarding users with unwanted advertisements. Grand Explorer Adware is designed with the primary objective of generating revenue for its creators by displaying intrusive advertisements. It often infiltrates devices bundled with seemingly harmless software or through other online practices. Once installed, it modifies browser settings, injects advertising scripts, and tracks user behavior to serve targeted ads. Adware can take various forms, such as pop-ups, banners, in-text ads, and auto-playing videos, disrupting the browsing experience and hindering productivity. To rid your device of Grand Explorer Adware and restore a smooth browsing experience, it's important to follow this approach. Use reputable malware remediation software to run a full system scan to identify and eliminate Grand Explorer Adware and other online threats. Identify suspicious browser extensions, add-ons, or plugins that might be responsible for the adware and disable or remove them from your browser settings manually. Additionally, check your installed programs list and uninstall any unfamiliar or suspicious applications. Go to the browser settings or preferences menu to delete cookies, cache, and browsing history to eliminate any remnants of adware that might be stored on your device. Reset browser settings to their default value, as this will remove any unwanted extensions, restore default search engines, and delete saved passwords. However, keep in mind that this step may also remove customizations. Adhere to safe browsing practices to minimize the risk of encountering adware in the first place. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading software from untrusted sources. Be vigilant while installing new applications and carefully read through the terms and conditions. Adware poses a significant annoyance in the digital landscape, disrupting the browsing experience and hindering productivity. Understanding the nature of adware and implementing effective removal techniques is crucial for maintaining a secure and enjoyable online environment. By employing reputable security software, practicing safe web browsing habits, and periodically reviewing and removing unwanted extensions, users can safeguard their devices and enjoy an ad-free browsing experience. In the realm of cybersecurity, Trojan stands as a persistent threat that can compromise the security and integrity of computer systems. Trojan Win32/Casdet RFN is a type of generic malware that can point to several different infections and is often detected through heuristic analysis, serves as a prime example. A Trojan is a malicious software disguised as legitimate or desirable content that infiltrates computer systems with the intention of causing harm or establishing unauthorized access. Like the legendary Trojan horse from Greek mythology, Trojans deceive users by appearing harmless or useful, thus tricking them into executing or downloading the software. Trojans often arrive as email attachments, software downloads from untrusted sources, or through compromised websites. Once inside a system, Trojans can create a backdoor for cybercriminals, allowing them to steal sensitive information, gain unauthorized access, or unleash additional malicious software. Removing Trojans from an infected computer requires a systematic approach involving both preventative and remedial measures. Here are some essential steps to consider. Use a regularly updated reputable malware remediation software to run system scan regularly. This will help you detect and remove known Trojans and other malware from the infected computer automatically. Keep your operating system, applications, and plugins up to date with the latest security patches. Enable automatic updates whenever possible to ensure timely protection against known vulnerabilities. Educate yourself about safe computing practices such as avoiding suspicious downloads, being cautious with email attachments, and regularly backing up important data to mitigate potential losses. In the realm of remote work, Microsoft Teams has become an indispensable tool for communication and productivity. However, users occasionally encounter frustrating errors that disrupt their workflow, such as the Microsoft Teams error caa70004. We will provide insights into the causes of this error and offer effective troubleshooting steps to resolve it, with a specific focus on network issues and cache buildup. Understanding Microsoft Teams error caa70004. The Microsoft Teams error caa70004 typically occurs when there is problems with the network connection or when cache files within the Teams application have become overloaded. This error code acts as a signal that the normal communication and collaboration process is disrupted. Resolving this error is crucial to restore smooth operation and ensure uninterrupted productivity. Troubleshooting network issues. To troubleshoot network-related problems associated with the caa70004 error, consider the following steps. Check your network connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable and reliable internet connection. Verifying that other online applications are functioning correctly to rule out general connectivity issues. Restart your network equipment. Restart your modem, router, and any other network equipment you're using. Turn them off, wait for a few seconds, and then turn them back on. This process can help resolve temporary network glitches. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a virtual private network or VPN or proxy connection, temporarily disable them to see if they're causing conflicts with Microsoft Teams. Sometimes these services can interfere with the proper functioning of an application. Test on a different network. If possible, connect to a different network such as a different Wi-Fi network or use a mobile hotspot to see if the error persists. This step helps determine if the issue is specific to your network or a more widespread problem. Troubleshooting cache buildup. Accumulated cache files within the Microsoft Teams application can also contribute to the caa70004 error. Follow these steps to address cache-related issues. Clear the Teams cache. Close the Microsoft Teams application and locate the Teams cache folder on your computer. The cache folder is typically found in the following path you see on screen. Delete all the files and folders within the cache folder. Note that deleting cache files will not affect your account or data, as they will automatically regenerate when you open Teams. Update Microsoft Teams. Ensure you have the latest version of Microsoft Teams installed on your device. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can address known issues, including the caa70004 error. Reinstall Microsoft Teams. If the error persists after clearing the cache and updating the application, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Microsoft Teams. This process can help resolve any underlying software issues that may be causing the error. Seek support from IT or Microsoft. If the steps provided do not resolve the error, contact your organization's IT department or Microsoft support for further assistance. they can provide more specialized guidance and troubleshooting tailored to your specific environment. By understanding the potential causes of the Microsoft Teams error caa70004, such as network issues or cache buildup, users can employ effective troubleshooting methods to resolve it. By following the recommended steps, users can find a way to restore the Microsoft Teams functionality and regain uninterrupted productivity. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.